Hi everyone, Carole here. Welcome back to my channel, Tablescapes by Carole. Today, I'm doing a new spring Mother's Day tablescape in blue and white chinoiserie patterns. The majority of my items that you will see on my table were thrifted at Goodwill. I have items from Amazon, items from TJ Maxx, Home Goods. I also have items that were inherited. Items from the Dollar Tree, I hope that you will enjoy my table. And I want to say once again, thank you for stopping by. To all the new folks that are watching my video, I want to say thank you. And I hope that if you like this video, that you will become a member of the Tablescape family. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support, your comments, your inspiration. Thank you to everyone, and I hope that you're enjoying your Mother's Day. I just want to say thank you to all those who have subscribed. I've just reached 157 subscribers on my channel, and I really do appreciate all that you have done to help me grow my channel. A lot of my items, like I said, were thrifted from Goodwill. I've been doing a good deal of looking at Goodwill online. My flowers are from Michael's and Temu. The beautiful chinoiserie ginger jar in the middle is from Home Goods. The blue goblets are from Dollar Tree. This will be my second year anniversary working with the chinoiserie patterns, and I really enjoyed it. Once again, I want to say thank you to all the mothers, and I hope you're having a wonderful, fantastic Mother's Day. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy my table. Thank you everyone for watching. See you on the next one. I hope you'll like, share, subscribe, and comment. Happy Mother's Day!